Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on TM Bank Australia. If you don't have an account yet and you need to sign up, then we already have a video for you, so you might want to check that one out. But if you want to log in to your existing account, then make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up, and then in the address bar type in tmbank.com.au and then press enter. This will now take you into the official website of TM Bank. Now look for the internet banking button and then click on it. This will now directly take you in to the login page. You can go ahead and enter your membership number along with your access code. After entering both of these, you can click on the login button. In case you have forgotten your access code, you can click on the Forgot Your Access Code button. And if you're not a member yet, you can click on Register for Internet Banking. After clicking on the login button, you will be taken into your TM Bank account. So that is how simple it is to log into your existing account on TM Bank Australia. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with more videos from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.